Myself, Swapna V. Shashi, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, Jyoti Engineering College. I am going to take various topics in compiler design.
Next topic is three-address code. It is a three-address code corresponding to the assignment statement. So here the assignment statement is S, and S has various attributes. One such attribute is S.code. S.code is a synthesized attribute that represents the three-address code for the statement assignment. Then the non-terminal E has two attributes, that is E.place and E.code. So E has two attributes, E.place and E.code. E.place represents the value of E. Then E.code represents the sequence of three-address statements evaluating E. Sequence of three-address statements which lead to evaluation of E. So, in total, three attributes are there. One is S.code that corresponds to the assignment S. Then E has two attributes, E.place and E.code. Syntax directed definition to produce three-address code for assignment statements. So, S2 ID equal to E. That is, value of E is assigned to ID. So, S.code equal to E.code, then concatenation. This symbol corresponds to concatenation. Then this is a function generate of id.place. id.place means value of ID, identifier. Then assignment statement, then E.place, that is value of E. Value of E. E.place, value of E. Then E2, E1 plus E2, that is E.place equal to new temporary value, that will be E.place. Then E.code. What is E.code? E.code is sequence of three-address statements evaluating E. How the E value is evaluated. So, E.code equal to, how it is evaluated? E1.code, then E2.code, then generate of E.place, then E1.place plus E2.place. So, all these are combined together to produce E.code, that is value of E. Then similarly E2, E1 into E2, then E2 minus E1, then E2, E1, that is E.place equal to E1.place. E1.place is assigned to E. Then E.code equal to E1.code. Then E2 ID. E.place equal to ID.place. Value of ID. E.code equal to whatever value is given here, that will be E.code. So, this is a syntax directed definition to produce three-address code for assignment. How three-address statements are implemented. A three-address statement is an abstract form of intermediate code. In a compiler, these statements can be implemented as records. Each record has various fields. So, fields for operator and operands exist. Three such representations are quadruple, triple, and indirect triples. So all three are used to implement three address statements. So what is a quadruple? Quadruple is a record structure with 4 fields, which are one for operator, then for argument 1, argument 2 and the result. For example, if x equal to y of z, then y in argument 1, z in argument 2 and x in result and op in one of the field. So in total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fields will be there. This can be represented as a record structure. So hence it is a quadruple. 4 fields are there, hence it is a quadruple. So here comes T1 temporary equal to e raised to f. So all this can be represented as 3 address codes. At most 3 addresses are there. 3 variables are there. But this can be represented as quadruple. That is x equal to y of z. That is T1 equal to e raised to f. Here one field for T1, one for e, one for raised to power and one for f. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 fields will be there. But in total at most 3 addresses are there. It is a 3 address code, but for representing 3 address code, we are using quadruple format. Operator, argument 1, argument 2 and result. And location corresponds to where it will be stored in the symbol table.